bakal ketemu sama Jackson Wang.
This is gonna be my official Magic Man stand.
Dan kalian bisa lihat sendiri, aku sudah bikinin dia lightstick sendiri. Sekarang saatnya kita kasih ini ke Jackson Wang dan lihat reaksinya gimana. Let's go! Jadi aku langsung terbang dari Surabaya ke Jakarta.
Drone liar terbang.
Lalu ke kantor TikTok. Dan ini dia deg-deg Iren bertemu Jackson Wang.
What's the video?
Hari ini kita bakal ketemu sama Jackson Wang di kantornya TikTok. Celah. Kita lihat reaksinya bakal kayak gimana. Konsep saat bertemu Jackson Wang ini kita akan menjadi murid SMA. Murid SMA yang ganjen. Hi Jackson, my name is Irene Wang. Oke, sambil menunggu Jackson Wang, kita akan tour. Kenapa kita jadi tour gitu? Aku bakal tunjukin kalian kantor TikTok. Ada fotoku katanya. Belum ada. Oh, itu guys fotoku. Oh, yang mana ya fotoku? Bentar, kita cari foto Iren. Oke, hoax. Tidak ada. Tidak ada. Sekarang kita akan melihat studio konten kita sama Jackson Wang nanti. Jadi nanti kita akan ngonten di sana, teman-teman. Isinya. Kalian mau tanya dong, nanti kita bakal ngonten di sini kan?
Enggak, di dalam situ ada studio.
Oh, oke. Jadi ini ruangan meeting ternyata. Deng-deng. Sangat eksklusif ya guys.
Mau kerja di sini?
Mau kerja sama Jackson Wang aja. Ada mesin kopinya di sebelah sana.
Apa itu?
Nunggu.
Oh, nunggu.
Lebih rame lagi guys. Gak jadi.
One eternity later.
Oke, ini udah sepi, saatnya kita ambil minum guys. Sini dia menunya, ada coffee. Salah guys. Mari kita menikmati hot milk. Drink. Kita kasih es batu dikit. And you're ready to go. Cheers. Coklat dulu biar nggak grogi. Cheers, bertemu Jackson Wang. Okay. So, hi Jackson, my name is Irene. I'm an art content creator and a DIY. So, I really like make things from cardboard papers and a lot of things.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
I'm Jackson
you.
Wang. I'm a music creator. I usually make things from movement and make music.
Okay,
Yeah.
so I got something for you. It's a little surprise so that you will always remember me.
I remember. Why are you in uniform? Came from school?
No. It's just an outfit.
Oh, outfit.
Actually, I brought one too. If you wanted to try, later,
Later?
or you wanted to try it. Okay.
Surprise first.
Okay, surprise
I thought
first. Is
that's
that
the
okay?
surprise. Okay.
Wait a minute. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
1, 2, 3, here we go. Chin.
What is this?
This is your version of light stick.
I never had one in my life. Oh my god. Wow. You made this?
Yeah, so this whole theme is about a magic man. Yeah, and this is Wang, the hunter Wang, and this W,
W,
it stands
Wang.
for Wang. Here, you press it like downward.
Downwards?
Yes.
But is this like Sailor Moon? Thank you so much.
Actually, there's another feature of this light stick. Now you push it upwards.
Upward.
Yes. This is the magic of the Magic Man light stick.
I think if I don't turn it on,
Yes.
it's gonna be good. if I turn it on, no one will come to my concert. But oh, it's amazing. What's inside?
That's a bubble. You can refill it here, down here.
Oh,
yeah.
here?
Put it. Yeah. And
Oh.
you refill it here. Inside this is the soup.
Oh, okay.
Yes. And it's just the cover.
Thank you so much. This is gonna be my official Magic Man stand. This is very dope.
For the
Type everything.
idea.
Wang,
Yeah, Jackson Wang.
And then what's this?
Just a design.
Just a design. And how did you make the box?
Made the box from paper. Oh, what do you call it? Mika? Mika?
Mika? I know
Yeah.
Mika.
You know Mika?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes. So rate the light stick. 1 until
Rate
10.
it?
Yes.
12 out of 10.
Thank you.
I'm so sad I don't have a surprise for you.
Ah, that's okay.
It's okay. I'm sorry. Next time I will bring.
No need. Just make friends with me, okay?
Okay.
High school.
Like a normal high
yeah,
school
yes.
uniform? Oh man, I should have worn this on stage.
Looks so cool on him.
Two at the same time?
No, just one. Jawa metal. It's
This or
from
this?
This.
Everyone in Indonesia do this.
Yes.
Or
yes.
this. Yeah.
Yes.
Or this.
Yeah.
What? Why everyone? I want to know.
Because it's
Culture? Alright.
that's
man.
culture.
So
Jamet.
next time I meet any Indonesian, I not do this, but like this. Like,
Yes.
yeah.
you do
Hey,
this.
nice to meet you. Like this. Like.
Yes.
All right, man. Let's go.
Gimana guys, lightsticknya bagus gak? Dan kalau kalian suka, langsung like, comment, subscribe semua. Bye!